The second source of social influence is informational. In many ways, the idiom, knowledge is power, is supported by both academic and practitioner research. That is, information can be a source of influence. It gives us power. Informational influence involves the interpersonal processes that change others by challenging the accuracy of their beliefs or the appropriateness of their behavior. Information can directly influence us, like through persuasive communication, and indirectly, like through social comparison processes. Recall that many of us have a strong need to belong. As it turns out, we also have a strong need to be right and to be accurate. Especially in ambiguous situations, we might change our next move just because we think someone else knows what to do. The dual process model of persuasion suggests we process information using two cognitive processes. The central route is direct, while the peripheral route is indirect. Although both types lead to change, the one we use depends on our willingness and ability to analyze the information and think carefully about the argument. Using the central route, we think carefully and rationally about a request. Exposure to others' positions can lead us to rethink our own perspective, seek out additional information, and consider other possibilities. But thinking carefully does not equal accuracy. Some of our assumptions and perceptions are based on inaccurate or incomplete information, which prevents us from seeing the whole picture. On the other hand, using the peripheral route, we take shortcuts and use less effort to process information. And these shortcuts rely on cognitive heuristics, which can lead to misperceptions. For example, marketing research suggests physically attractive people tend to be more persuasive than unattractive people, even when they have the same message to share. Especially in ambiguous situations, we compare ourselves to others to gauge the accuracy of our beliefs and the appropriateness of our behavior. If, by comparing ourselves to others, we find that we're different, we may be motivated to change in some way. The problem with this tendency is that we don't always have all the necessary information. And our observations of others are rarely systematic, as we usually compare ourselves to the people we interact with most, like family, friends, and coworkers.